Talking to your journey here at Teen Supermodel International Philippines, so kumusta naman yung preparation mo dito?
It was a great journey actually, but I'm preparing while I'm studying also.
So you're still studying.
Yes.
Okay, how was it? Alright. How is it hard for you to manage your time, especially you are joining the national pageant? Not only the national pageant, but as well as a fashion competition, fashion modeling competition.
It was a rough journey at first, but I would say that I'm doing okay now.
Alright, so if you're going to rate your trainings and as well as your journey here from 1 to 10, saan ka dito?
I'll rate it a 10 because I would say that my journey here was a bit rough, but I would say it was a fun journey. I have learned a lot and I've met a lot of new people.
You look so beautiful and stunning this afternoon. So, who are you wearing?
Thank you. This is actually designed by Sir Pat.
Wow, nice. Napakaganda ng outfit mo today. Anyway, Jillian, what do you think is the best qualities that you will show to the Teen Supermodel International Organization na sa tingin mo, ikaw yung pipiliin nila?
Well, I will show them confidence and walk with happiness, and I'm not really
Ano sa tingin mo yung katangiang magpapapanalo sa'yo dito sa Teen Supermodel International Philippines?
I think I should walk with confidence and just be happy with the result. And I'm not the only one who's wanting to win, also my fellow candidates.
Is there a pressure ba? There's a lot of your competitors, hindi lang first timer, but as well as they are also veterans when it comes to fashion modeling. Are you pressured?
Not really, because I don't really feel pressured. I feel relaxed and I feel okay.
Ayan. Thank you so much, Jillian. And to Barangay Captain Raul Tolintin na naman po. Sir Raul, ano naman po yung magiging role mo dito kay Jillian sa kanyang journey sa Teen Supermodel International Philippines?
Ang unang-una ay yung aking suporta, lalo na pagdating sa panalangin. Yung una ang kauna-unahan dahil para lumakas yung loob niya at yung Espiritu Santo ay pumunta sa kanya. And then, hindi lang yon, siguro yung mga pagpapaalala sa kanya kung ano yung mga gagawin na dapat at pagiging mababa yung loob niya sapagkat yun ang isang dapat na maging ugali niya na gawin. At sa financial kasi, wala naman akong may ibigay na at kayang-kaya na ng mga magulang niya at mayaman niya mga okay, siguro naman ay nandun kami sa likod nila. Kung sakali na magkataon na kami kasama, lalong magaling. Kasi yung presensya namin, lalong lalakas yung loob ni Jillian. At pagpapalakas ng loob na siya ay maging confidence, paglaban, relax, at enjoy yung sarili sa gagawin niyo ito.
Kamusta naman po yung pakiramdam na may representative na sa from Barangay Poblacion laban sa national pageant?
Abay, yan ay isang napakaligaya ko bilang punong barangay na hindi ko naman akalain na may mga ganitong tao na masigasig sa ganitong pageant. At totoo nga po pala na ang barangay namin ay narito ang mga ganda, narito ang mga galing, at narito yung matatrino. Kasi kailangan yan sa mga ganitong kompetensya. At pwede kong ipagmalaki na ang Poblacion 1 ay narito yung source pagdating sa ganitong mga lang po.
Ayan. Back to Jillian naman tayo. Jillian, aside from ramp modeling na or nagte-training ka sa pasarela mo, sa tingin mo, ano yung itatawag mo dun sa ramp modeling mo? Diba, we have from Tashiona Gray, meron siyang lava walk, tapos sino ba?
Venus Rock,
si Venus Rock, Pilapil Walk. So, kay Jillian naman, ano naman yung tatawag?
I call it Jillian's Walk because I walk with it.
Wow, very authentic, di ba?
True.
Ayan. Jillian, how old are you?
I'm 13, but I'm actually turning 40.
Wow, kailan ka mag-turn 40?
September 24 po.
Oh, malapit na. Advance happy birthday, Jillian.
Thank you po.
And we wish you na ito na yung gift na ibigay sa'yo ni God, the title. Diba? Jillian, aside from joining the pageant or fashion modeling, ano pa yung gusto mong pangarap sa buhay na matupad?
One of my childhood dreams was to become an actress, actually, and to be seen in TVs and to be famous. But now, I can proudly say that my dreams are slowly coming true.
Ayan. Before ka mag-decide na mag-join dito sa Teen Supermodel International Philippines, di ba, you were studying, and then who encouraged you to join this?
Well, my friends, my family, they saw the potential in me. At first, I wouldn't really expect myself joining pageants like this, but I am now here, and thanks to my friends who supported me and always told me that I could do it. If others can do it, I can also do it.
Nice, congratulations. Anyway, what was the reaction of your classmates that they know that you will be joining the national pageant, which is the Teen Supermodel International Philippines?
They were shocked at first because they didn't really expect it, and they supported me. They always motivate me.
Alright. So, if you are going to back to your younger age, what advice would you like to say it?
Believe in yourself, because if others can do it, you can also can. And don't be afraid to do any mistakes or failure, because if you fail or make mistakes, it's a part of the journey to success.
And of course, all our followers wants to know who is Jillian Tricia Delmore on and off cam.
She's still the same person. She's still the happy person. She's still the very talkative Jillian. And she's more happy.
Nice. Very positive vibes always, no? Anyway, let's move on to the pageant talk. Admin, which is Anton Eder, he wants to ask Jillian.
Hello, Jillian. So congratulations for representing Laurel Batangas for this upcoming Teen Supermodel International Philippines. So what made you decide na mag-join dito? Na sa sobrang dami ng modeling search, bakit ito yung napili mong salihan?
I chose this because it's one of my dreams to join international pageants. So I want to give it a try. I want to learn new things and meet new people.
Is this your first time sumali sa mga national pageant?
No. I think I joined 3 international pageants before.
Alright. So, kung merong lesson,
Ano yung mga international?
ano yung mga pageant na nasalihan mo before?
My first pageant was Philippine Kids Supermodel. The second was Prince and Princess Batangas, and the last one was this one, the Teen Supermodel International.
Alright. So kung meron kang lesson na natutunan sa past pageant or yung mga modeling search na nasalihan mo, ano yun at ano yung lesson na yun na pwede mo ma-apply dito para makuha yung corona?
Never give up and always believe in yourself, because before I was disappointed because I won a few, but some of it I didn't want, and now that I am here, I'll say I'll try hard harder to be better.
Alright. Okay, so how will you promote Laurel Batangas? Halimbawa, ikaw yung nanalo ng Miss Teen Supermodel International Philippines. So, paano mo ipopromote yung Laurel Batangas, not only here, but sa buong Pilipinas?
I'll promote it through social medias and other platforms.
Ano-ano bang meron dito sa Laurel na, di ba, first time ko mag-visit? So, ano yung pwede naming puntahan? Ano yung meron dito na binabalik-balikan ng mga turista?
You can go to different places, different beautiful places, and you'll meet new and beautiful people who are really nice. They are very welcoming and they'll welcome you.
Ano yung mga places na ma-recommend mo sa amin? Mga tourist spots.
First of all, recommend to you the Baywalk, that beautiful place where you can see the view of the Taal volcano.
Alright, thank you. So my next question is for Sir Captain Raul. Sir, ano yung mga plans or yung mga plans mo for the teens dito sa Barangay Poblacion? Like, magkakaroon ba kayo ng mga programs like pageant, basketball, ano yung mga programs yung para sa mga kabataan?
Sa ngayon, kasi parang nakadepende pa rin kami dun sa municipality. At kasi palibasa kami yung nasa bayan, yung poblasyon, kung ano yung mga programa na ginagawa ng municipality, doon pa rin kami nakaangkla. Sa barangay po namin, ang barangay po kasi namin ay isang pinakamaliit na barangay. At ang populasyon po dito ay napakaliit din. Kaya ang nangyayari po sa amin ay wala naman kami dito mga ginagawang event sa ganyang mga pageant, kasi sila yung pagdating po dun sa municipality, dun sila lumalahok. Ang nangyayari pag may mga invitation po sa barangay, nagpapasali kami. At naroon naman yung suporta namin kung ano yung kaya namin itulong. Nandun yung mga sangguni ang barangay, naroon yung mga mismong barangay, yung taong barangay, tumutulong sila.
Alright, so lastly, Cap, invite mo yung mga viewers natin na i-visit po yung Laurel or yung Poblacion Batangas.
Okay, kayo po'y inaanyayahan namin ng isang bayan po namin ay bagamat maliit, pero kayo po'y mag-i-enjoy dito sa Laurel. Meron po kaming tinatawag na yung pong simbahang bato. Bali, ito po ay napapag-usapan na at dinadayo ng iba't ibang bayan. Ganun din po yung aming, malapit po kasi kami sa Taal. Meron po kaming mga resort na pwedeng mas malapit na matanaw yung Taal. Then, pwede tayong mamasyal. Iikot, kasi bawal naman ngayong pumunta sa island. Pwede kayong ipasyal doon. Sakay tayo ng mga bangka na pwedeng ma-rent. Yung mga paitaas namin, yung lugar ng mga paitaas namin, kasi yung mga dinevelop dyan, halos sakop namin yan. Mga Twin Lakes, yan ay sakop ng Laurel. Twin Lakes, Canyon Woods, doon sa mga mahilig sa mga golf, may mga ground kami katulad ng Twin Lakes, Esplendido, yung mga mahilig sa sports na pangmayaman. Meron po kami niyan, sakop po namin yan. Yung mga halos laylayan nito na nasasakop namin, may mga restaurant din kami diyan, mga ganda, mga delantera. Parang sakop namin yata yung parting yun. Yung mga JTs, halos ang nasasakop yata namin dyan, yung 3 restaurant na yun. At saka yung iba't iba pang restaurant. Pwede kayong pumasyal dito. Kasi pag nasa taas kayo niyan at tumanaw, ay ang matatanaw talaga yung Laurel. Mas magaling kung malapit.
Okay, thank you so much, Cap. Message. Mama.
And ayun, back to Jillian naman tayo ulit. Jillian, kung meron kang nais may parating na mensahe sa kapwa mo kabataan na mahilig din mag-join or walang lakas na loob na mag-join sa mga national pageant o hindi lang sa national pageant pero as well as sa local pageant, anong message na sasabihin para sa kanila?
Never be scared to try, because if you don't try, then when will you start? Because before I was a very shy person, I was an introvert. I would say that I talk less, and I used to have no friends, but now modeling has taught me to be confident, and I turned from an introvert to an extrovert because of modeling, and I've met a lot of new great people in my life that has taught me a